Good morning, grade 3s. Today we're going to be learning about the Earth and its moon. The Earth is known as the Goldilocks planet. It's not too hot and it's not too cold. It's just right for life. It has water and oxygen, and all living things need those to survive. The Earth has one moon. This moon is known as the Earth's naturally occurring satellite. It takes the moon around about a month to move around the Earth. This movement is called an orbit, and just like this marble moves around this paper plate and around the Earth, that is how the moon moves in orbit around the Earth. Yes, humans have landed on the moon, and the first person to land on the moon, his name was Neil Armstrong, and he said these very, very famous words. He said, "That's one small step for man and one giant leap for mankind." Gravity is stronger on Earth than on the moon. That is why all the astronauts have to wear very, very special gear. And this space gear helps them so that they don't float away. There's no wind on the moon. So the footsteps of these astronauts will stay on the moon forever, or until someone else stands on them. The moon is a very interesting place. I'm sure you've heard of some of these words I'm going to tell you about now. And let's see if you can remember a few of them. The moon doesn't emit any light, not like the sun. When we look at the moon and it shines brightly, it's because it is lit up by the sun. So as the moon orbits the Earth, the sun lights up different parts of it. We call these changing shapes of the moon phases. And these are some of the words I'm sure you've heard. When the moon appears to be getting bigger, we call it waxing. The moon is getting bigger. And when the moon appears to be getting smaller, we call it waning. And when there is a full moon, the face of the moon is fully turned towards the sun. And when there's a new moon, we can hardly see the moon at all because the moon's face is hidden by the sun. So the moon is one amazing and interesting place. And we, as people living on Earth, still have so much to learn about the moon.